Okay, I am going to be doing the interactive lab for chemistry, where we're gonna blow up a balloon and put it over the flame to see what happens. So I got my balloons, super cool Spider-Man ones. We've got a candle, lighter, and then I'm gonna get some water too. So we'll do different colors. Okay, so we'll just start with the balloon with no water. Perfect, got that a little bit. Now we're gonna blow up our balloon. Just gonna tie that quick. So, hopefully this won't be too loud. So we're going to do this now. Okay, so there was the balloon with air, popped pretty loud, and let our flame out. So now we're gonna try it again. I'm gonna put a little water in here. So for this, I'm gonna light this up again, just to be safe. Got it. Okay. So now I'm gonna put some water in the balloon, and from what I've read, you don't need a ton. So I'm just gonna get a little in there. Okay, and now blow it up. See the water in there? Okay, then we're going to tie it off. Alright, now if we do this right, it shouldn't pop, but let's see what happens. And it's not popping. So I mean, I could sit there and do that for a lot longer, but it's not gonna pop. So this happens, so the candle's letting off heat into the air, and it doesn't actually need to be touching the balloon for the heat to absorb into it. So the reason that so we're talking about like conduction. So the reason that the balloon pops when it touched the balloon that only had air in it, it's because the volume of the air, it didn't take as long to heat that up as it does water. So water is more dense. So the water over the flame acted as like a conductor. So it wasn't just heating the straight rubber, it was actually heating the water inside. And because of that, it was gonna take, I mean, not touching it. It'd take a long time for it to heat the water up in the balloon, which makes the balloon safe so it doesn't pop. So that water was actually absorbing all that heat and using it as a protection against the rubber. Whereas the balloon that had only air inside of it, there was nothing else to absorb the heat other than the rubber. So when the rubber got hot, it broke, which popped the balloon. So there's my experiment.